import the file. So that file as the models and test cases which are related to the demo app shop. So we are going to reuse the module from that file, because we don't
Okay.
need to waste our time on module creating module. I guess you get the uh, idea of how to create the modules. So we are going to import that file and we are going to use that. Go to home page, click on home option. Yeah, so you can see one option, import subset. Import subset. Yeah, select that file. Okay, 1 minute. So while importing, you can see we are getting two options. One is merge and another one is import. So
Okay.
import means it will just import whatever things that have been in that file. All those details will be imported without any change. It will be imported in a separate file. So merge means, so you can see we are in that message, it's showing like 4 mergeable objects found, which means 4 modules are same like the modules that are present in our project.
Okay.
So the 4 modules that are in the importing file are same like the the modules that are present in our project already. So if we want to merge it, we can use the option. Merge means the the so sometimes it's okay to use merge option, but sometimes we will not be sure about what modules got merged with which module.
Right.
Those details will not be prominently visible to us. So
Right.
it's better to go with import option. And especially when you are importing some big file, it's better to go with import. So you just now import that file. Okay. Okay. So in the so now we imported it. In the case of if you want to merge the modules in future, we have one option. Okay, click on that modules option in the main menu. In the main menu option, yeah,
Mhm.
modules. Uh, okay. Mm. Okay. Okay. In the module section, we have the folder T-box automation tools, right? Expand that. Open that folder. Open that yeah, T-box set buffer, and from standard module, which is in the project already. Open the
Mhm.
standard module. The
The-
open the T-box automation tool.
mhm.
Open what we are open, set buffer. Okay, so if you want to merge, select the, yeah, close this basic Windows operation, the first folder.
Mhm.
So we want to merge T-box set buffer. We have two T-box set buffer, which means we have two modules which has the same module attributes in them. So we want to merge the T-box set buffer from the operation folder. So
Okay.
select both of them and press Ctrl and select the second.
Oh.
Okay, now you can see merge modules option has been enabled. So click on that. Mm, okay, as this is standard module, there's no big change here.
Mhm.
Mm, okay, we'll try with some other module. Okay, now you just select merge option. Yeah, close this window. I guess, yeah, the below one, got
Mhm.
disappeared because it has been merged with the
Okay.
first one. So this is a merge option will work. So as this is standard model, we don't need to do any big change while merging it. But if it is the normal um, scanned module, there would be some changes. Mm, mm, mm. Okay,
Is
open the
it
login one. Yeah, close the standard module. We scanned one. Yeah, that email, password, login. The second one, demo shop dot login. Apparel and shoes, email, password, login. Yeah, take that one. Take that one and the
let me close?
from the imported one, take the login page module and the scanned one, email, password, login. That two modules, select them and select the option merge.
This one and
Yeah,
this one.
that one. Yeah, no, that module, not the module add. Okay, so sometimes when you are trying to map, you'll get like this, and you can see some links are present in one module and some links are not present in the other module. So that time you have to select between any of the module, and you can see we have one option switch modules. So what module you want to try as target module or source module, you can change. So target module will be stayed back, like it will be the one will be present after the merge operation. Change the switch the source module and target module, you can use the option switch modules. And so you can see link candidates option. Select that any one link candidates for email. Email, yeah. So select that email, which means both are linked, which means we are telling Tosca both
Mhm.
controls are same by
Okay.
linking. So after linking, you can see we are getting some exclamatory symbol in amber color because some properties are not matching. Uh,
Mhm.
Select the plus symbol beside the, yeah, that one. So here we have, okay, I forgot to tell you about self-healing property. Okay, self. So sometimes when properties are getting changed, the property that we have selected while scanning may get changed. Some after some time or after some upgradation in application, the property may get changed. So that time Tosca will use the self-healing properties, which means um, automatically it would have selected some other properties other than what we are selecting while identifying by properties method. So when the control is not be able to be identified using the property that we have selected, Tosca will try to identify that using self-healing properties. So that is the self-healing data. So it is like it will be happening in the back end while we are creating the module. So in advanced view, we add one option, right? Self-healing properties. So if you click on that option, you can see whatever properties Tosca have selected as self-healing properties.
Mhm.
After this merge thing, we'll go and see that one. So Okay, so the first exclamatory name. So name which property you want to go with, because for first module we have selected the property name, but for second module we hadn't selected the property name, so it's blank. So if you want to keep the name property, you can select the property that has the value email. If you don't want to keep that name property, you can select the empty box from the second module. Yeah, if you have selected the email, so the name property will be kept for this module login for the email module attribute. We have to select the property while merging. Okay, so if you want, yeah, id, you can select the empty value or the value. Yeah, you can select empty. So in the same way, so for email it is uh, um, that exclamatory symbol has gone, and for password just do the same thing. uh, Click that plus symbol. Mm, okay, so we have mapped the email and password from the source module,
Mhm.
and we have some unmapped controls like tricentist demo web shop, apparel and shoes, login. So those and all haven't been mapped. So I guess you can map the login. The target module is the important one. So you can see the name login page demo web shop dot login. Login page is the module which is present in the imported one. Demo web shop
Okay.
login that we created now.
Yeah.
Login we can map login better. You can use the link candidates option and map it for login. Yeah, link candidates for login. Yeah, select login. So on the same way. Yeah. Okay, now email, password, remember me, forgot password, login link, all are fine. And we
Mhm.
have some unmapped controls, Tricentis web demo app shop and apparel and shoes from
Mhm.
the source module.
Yeah.
So in the source module, you can see Tricentis demo app shop and apparel and shoes. Those
Right.
are not mapped. So we
Right.
can't map it with anything. If we are clicking on merge option, those two unmapped controls will be, yeah, you can see two attributes will be added from the source to the target module, which means those two modules, two attributes. No,
Okay.
what it's conveying is, so we mapped email, password, login, right? So two properties will be, so in target module we have missed some property, two property. Properties will be deleted from the target module. So yeah, you just merge it. Yeah, close it. It got merged. So I can see this is the merged module.
Okay.
Tricentist demo app shop, apparel and shoes. Both are
Mhm.
added to the
Mhm.
target market. You got it right. This merge also. Maximum, like in the same application, just assume 3 or 4 people are working, and maybe you would have assigned particular scenario for each members. They may use, for example, login would be common one for all the 4 members. So in the finally you would be merging all the works of the all the test cases.
Oh.
So that and so in order to make it easy for everyone to understand, we will be merging. It's not like the mandatory thing, but it will be while maintaining while doing the maintenance for our test case, it will be helpful. Mm, yeah, I guess we are done with. Okay, okay. Now one more thing. So in some cases, okay, we have already created the login page. Okay, we
Mhm.
have already created the login page module. So just assume you want to um, um, there is some changes which are related to login, and you want to add that changes in the sense some more control one more control has been added in the email thing. In the login page, some more control one more control has been added, just as so you want to add that control to the existing module. Maybe that may be the one scenario. That may be the one scenario.
Mhm.
Another scenario may be you would have captured the, for example, email text box. You would
Mhm.
have captured that email text box with some property, and that property got changed. So while you are running, you may get some error like there is no email text box present in the application. You may get that error because of the change in property. Another scenario. Uh, yeah, these are the main things. So if you are getting that, and if you want to make any change in your existing module, you can use the option rescan. Right click on login page module. Yeah, you can see rescan. Yeah, rescan. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure which page we are in the application. Demo app shop beyond the login page. Log out and click on login. Okay, before that,
Mhm.
we'll intentionally change the property of something, so it will get unmapped. Will
Okay.
show error and will map that. Okay, click on apparel and shoes. Okay, no, it is okay. Click on email. So in the right side page, you can see one small arrow. Right in the middle of the right. Yeah, the one arrow. Mm, here, here in the middle of the right. Yeah, in the parallel line, you can see in the right side. Right side, right, yeah, right corner. Yeah, click on that. So it will show all the properties which are related to the modulator.
Okay.
So you just delete the name property for this email. Yeah, you value or delete that property. Anything you can. Yeah, you change. You enter. Now try rescanning that login page module. login page. Click on that login page module. Yeah, right click, rescan. Press here. Yes, click yes. Yes. So you can see email text box under unmapped controls. So we rescan. So
Mm-hmm.
what we can do is we can map the, if you want to scan any other control, you can use the option normal thing. Select on screen and you will be selecting the particular control you want to add to the module. So this is already existing module, but the property is only changed. So that time you can remap that control. So in order to remap, you can see one link kind of icon. Yeah, click on that. So you have to select the yeah, the email text box you can see, right? Yeah, click on that radio button for email. For email, in the left pan you can see email, right? Okay, so you just come to technical property and select. Okay, name has been selected. Okay, fine. Now click on done option. Yeah, yeah, give yes. Okay, now it is mapped. So this is how we will be working on the already created module using.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, you can save it and close this window. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, we are done with module section. Some other additional actions are there. We will be seeing that in the middle of the, because we will be getting that after only getting to know the test case section. So we'll see that later. Yeah, so for now we are done with the module section. We'll go to the test case section. So yeah, go to the test case section. I'll give you the test case section. No, test cases, blue color. So in module section, we capture all the technical data of the application. So here, using that modules, we will be creating the test cases and will be giving the input to that. Okay, so okay, I'll tell you the options here. Okay, so the test cases is the root folder. Again, that is the root folder. Under that, we can create the folder. I'm importing that file.